We they have reviewed the new single from Intense, All That. It's from the EP. Check it out.
Terrodan, I'm a lot the place, you know. I give you the best review.
The star life, you know, all that you the hype on the fame, fuck all of them drama. Them call for interview, me tell specs and them call, but come down, got no word, but come down like camera.
Before we go any further in another review, your people, we want to state one favorite song on Intense EP, otherwise called is mixtape. Whichever way you want to call it, EP, mixtape, mini album, it tape, sick tape, whichever. You see me I say? And you see all that, I want my favorite. You see me? And I don't really have a fully favorite because every one of the songs them I like personally. You see me? This is just my preference. But everybody else have different thinking, different taste to music and thing. And as I mentioned, we love music, we don't love man over here. So we don't care what other people want to do. And music we say. So pre this, I see that song here when you all that is a song relatable to me. It's a song where even though the hype and the fame and them thing that dog, fuck that brother, fuck the drama, fuck all of the mix up, fuck all of that. That now have nothing to do with me. Is me that different? Remember I say I made it say that you know that different, take it out tight. Is me I say? So we different from the get-go. And we say we love music, you know. We not love man over here, so. Is me? While some other person love man. But that a for them business. That don't really have nothing to do with me. Anyway, still. I could put some sense to this now. This is what I call a well put together mixtape. Not a brr or a rr. You see? Anyway, Intense. Continue putting in the work there. Because the quality work I go show you know. The quality work I go show who is the artist from who is the tomatis. Big man thing. And if the people them can talk the truth, them can say Intense put quality time into this project and making it a successful project. You see me? With some great collabs, with some icons, and also some great singles. And the song them, me not sing a song was short term. The song them look long term to me. Let's check it out. Yeah man, I name Public Enemy #1. And it was structured well. And I like the promotion behind it same way. I like how him have the lead single, you see me? And the lead single upon it was the album title. Yes, so I like that still, you see me? So I can continue.
If everybody wants something like send me a Sundown. When the game catch up on them play bunker. Oh yeah. From you no in me, just know say me no in you.
Intense a deal with the eye for an eye, you know. You see me? Cause if you remember, I recall the old saying say eye for an eye. So if you're in me, then you know say me go give me ratings. And if you're not in me, then you know say you're not gonna get me ratings. I just so dog. It just plain and simple in a brother. More time them say the young youth them, I disrespect the elder them. It's not so sometimes. Sometimes it's like the elder them want the young youth them to come say, you know what say? Me love you to my art. Like what other artists would do say, yo, why you make me do music, you know? Yeah man, without you there would be no me. And to the young youth them refuse to do that. Or in other words, them refuse to do so. You see me? Them a say you the youth them not manners and them not respect. Them not respect who come before them or who dead before them. When in the truth of the fact say, and I saw it really go. The youth them been a show respect, but you not give them the first ill. And then youth a face it. So then youth a stay so woman stay to themselves, not violate, but them just nah say what the crowd want them to say. I guess it's true, them nah do that now, them nah go be the crowd favorite. We understand the manipulation, you know. So, if you see Intense them stay so boom, and still have the place, a rock two side, and him is not a dancer, you must know say, in music, I touch people's souls. And a lot of people can relate, you know, cause a song like this, now go just relatable to just one set of people. It go relate to a whole heap of people where probably have the fame or probably, you see me, them have some people who want them for when time them can give. And them never yet have nothing to bring to the table. Them can't offer you nothing, you know, but them always want. You see me? And when you don't give them say a pussy. You couldn't give a person, you know, 99.9% of the time. Once you don't give them 1%, Me I tell you, you never get them yet. Remember me to tell you, you know. So right now, I feel like the intense feelings dead completely. It no matter when nobody wants it. That's how me think. I could continue again.
Them now for believe now yourself, me tell you, yo. Me know the game, me know the code, me never take them road. No living a lie, me know the truth, yo. Them now for say we ain't okay, that's fine.
A EP full of be a hit song or potential hit songs from Intense. It's not a EP full of AK sound and whole heap of rocket launcher sounds. You understand? It's an EP with lyrics well put together, well write and everything. So, I can say, yo, the EP deserve a spot in the top 3. You see me? Of best EP in dancehall history. Trust me. I did say that. And I like say, Unna Sito. Tell me now, the EP I put together. Una at least can find 5 songs on the EP on the like. When an EP no put together, I want to can single out a 1 song or a 2 song or probably no song on the EP. You see me? And that's when I can single it out and the rest of it like can skip. But when a man put an EP and say, yo, this is an EP, I hear, you wonder whose trailer drive past, you have to look through your window. You understand? So, when you can see Intense put so much effort into this, I'm not throwing no word off on nobody, people. So, just make it clear. Because a lot of people are going to try to mix me up now and say, me a throw a word and this and that, I'm going to rate certain people and this and that. But let me tell you something, man. We just there to talk the truth, yeah? Because with the people I'm seeing, about the people them have a platform for say it. So, me I go say it. EP, you have to have good song on it. If we want to hear AK sound, we can go type it in. But if we want to hear music, we could type it in and listen it in peace. It's simple. Notice Intense, the man no waste the rhythm, you know. Intense no waste the rhythm, him give quality lyrics within the rhythm spaces. The man now go waste the rhythm because you can have nice rhythm like them, yeah, and waste it. You see me? So, me have to say you big up yourself again, Intense, and it no matter when nobody want come say right now, you know. And me can tell you that you are do great. Him are do great. And it's not like say me know Intense personally. Or even if me know him personally. A music we are deal with. You see me? We just know says a young youth from the ghetto. He might try to uplift himself. He might put out a good song. People are fight him because he must stand for what he believe in. People not like that. The bigger heads them when at the music business, they get all of them. Them are lock gate, them have key, them have padlock and them thing there. Intense of sledgehammer. He must slap off all of them little bars there. And he must forward and he must do the right thing. Why people don't want to see a next youth rise? Tell me. Intense now allow that. And that's why the mass not really like him, you know. Because they must say, yo, Intense have a same growth like a alkaline. In which him forward and people not like him. But him still a do him thing and him not disrespect nobody. Yeah, me just say it. And that is what we see. You see me? For years now.
I'm never gonna away, I'm returning on me yard. Don't deal with a portion of people where I'm from. I'm different, no social and on nobody fall. I'm swing with the motion, although I see I go on.
And not everybody I got socialize with people. You got some people different from some people. Some people got socialize, some people now got socialize. But that's part of life, as I say. And people, let me tell you something, man. A lot of people hate me, you know, for certain reasons. I don't know. But that's part of life. What you can do about it? You can't do nothing about it. What you can't control it alone. Because at the end of the day, it no matter. You see me? It no matter. Because if you say something and the next person say something and say and I said, go, allow it. You see me? Whatever, anything you want to say, just that. You see me? You own your rights to where you say. And me just own my rights to where me say. Me not follow you. And you come like you not follow. So that is good. We're up on the same page? Okay, that is right. So viewer, subscriber, I want to go check out the EP if you not check it out yet. You see me? It's Public Enemy #1. You see me? That song is entitled All That. Great song. Trust me. Rhythm nice, smooth. You see me? Yeah. Them song I like when the artist then sing. Me can relate to it. I don't know if other people can relate, but I know so whole heap can relate though. One chop. Until next time, I'm out.
Would I love for some live my life and have regrets? Loyal and some way hard for say.